Morning guys, we'll do another quick write this morning, so get your pens and your books ready to do quick write. So I will say the sound, I will give you a second, see if you can beat me to write it. So the first sound I'd like you to write is an . Well done. Now I'd like you to do for me a t. Remember, your T needs to be a little bit taller than your g. G. Lovely. And you can do a f now. Lovely. This time my tongue is against my teeth. Well done. Try a j now. Lovely. Right, let's go for a qu. Qu. Lovely. Ch. Okay, let's go for an R. An R. And an oo. And an oo or an like in book and zoo. So remember, we do an oo like that. And then to remind us, I sometimes do my not when I'm writing neatly, but I sometimes do my to remind me that the look is not like that, is it? It's look like that. Yeah. Okay, cross that one off, that's not right. Lovely. Okay, now let's have a go at the E family. So I'd like you to have a little go at the E family. Now, there are quite a few E's. So, there's one E that is in B, or leak, or C, with your eyes, not the C like going, in fact there's two E's in C. There's the C in IC, and there's a different C in the C, if you go to the C side. Okay, now there is one in theme, that's the split one. There's one in piece or field, and that's one that we're going to look at today in our recap part 2. That's a tricky one, so don't worry if you don't get that one. There's one in happy or funny. Now think about what E sound goes at the ends of words. There's one in money that's slightly different, and it's in monkey as well. Gosh, there's so many, isn't there? So let's have a little go. So we've got the first one, E in B from phase 3. Oh, that rhymes, and it's in 3 as well, isn't it? And then we've got, in fact, I've just thought of another one. There's also, if you think of me, if you think of these words, me, she, be, he. What letter makes the E sound in all of those? Sorry, my B is not very good there. What letter makes the E sound in all of those? Yes, just an E on its own. Lovely. Right, then we've got E in bead or beach. Yeah, we've got EA. Then we've got E in theme, which is split one. Then we've got E in field. Now you might not have got this one because it's the one that we're going to do in a minute. So it's, oh no, it's not. What am I doing? It's not a split. It's just like this. That's how it's spelled. So it's field. E, old, field. Then we've got E in happy. And the final one, E in monkey or money, is EY, isn't it? Like that. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 E's. Now I know there are actually more. There are more. But they are the ones that we focus on, and we use a lot in year 1, don't we? We do use this E and this E quite a lot in year 1, even though they're not very common. We do often use the word happy and funny and monkey and money. So we do need to know those ones as well. But it's quite a nice rule that you just sort of remember that there's usually a Y. When there's an E sound or an I sound at the end of a word, it's quite often got a Y in it. And I always say, don't tell ladybirds. What do I always say? See if you can remember. Yes, the Y likes to hug the rest of the word. That's just the way I think about it. That little tail likes to hug the rest of the word at the end. Okay, right, I'm going to go now and I'll get ready to do the next video. But well done for that this morning, because there's a lot of E's. It's quite a tricky one.